Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Haider Ali. My qualification is metric. I welcome all of you here. Assalamu alaikum. Let me share the reason of our gathering today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will be exploring a topic that is extremely important for the future of Pakistan and our nation, Pakistan and our youth. I am going to talk about some main points. Why was Pakistan created? Pakistan was created primarily due to the growing tensions between Hindu and Muslims under British rule, coupled with the desire of determination and for a separate homeland for Muslims. The movement for Pakistan was spearheaded by All India Muslim League under leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, which is reserved as the father of Pakistan. Now I am going to talk about the role of youth in Pakistan. Pakistan has a young population with the proportion below the age of 30. This demographic dividend can be leveraged as positive growth. Next point is future leaders. The youth of Pakistan are expected to be the shape of nation's future, like including the youth of Pakistan are expected to be shape of Pakistan's future in various sectors, including social work, businesses, and politics. They are seen as the key of national development through education, awareness campaigns, and by participating in nation building initiatives. Third point is education and skill development. Investing in youth education and skill development can be crucial. Result shows that educated and skilled youth can significantly be the source of nation's growth. My fourth point is economic growth. The young, educated, and skilled youth population can drive economic growth through innovations, entrepreneurship, and by participating in the workforce. Their adapting qualities. They are seen more adaptable to change and can also play a crucial role in can also play a crucial role in changing the environment, can change the society by their qualities. My fifth point is social progress. They can contribute to social development through community engagements by promoting education and advocating for the positive change in society. Now I am going to talk about the issues they face. My first point is education. Improving the quality of education and accessing sta- uh, accessing opportunities for the young people is crucial for realizing their potential. My second point is unemployment. Addressing the lack of job opportunities and ensuring access to skills training is essential for Pakistan's empowerment. My third point is political engagement. By environmental by enabling environmental process to participate in political processes is vital for strengthening Pakistan's youth empowerment. My fourth point is my fourth point is by focusing on education and meaningful society participation and by improvising skills training, Pakistan can show their harness their potential of its youth to drive the positive change in our society and can also lead to a brighter future. That's all from my side. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. जवानों को सिरों पर उठा लेता है ज़माना, जवानों को सिरों पर उठा लेता है ज़माना, वो जो मिल्लत की आंखों का सितारा जवां होता है। हज़ारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, हज़ारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदार यार पैदा। सर मैंने वही की थी। एक और बात जो हम नहीं करते मेहनत, हम अच्छे लिसनर्स नहीं हैं, they are not following the main idea that why was Pakistan created and what was the purpose of Pakistan was given by Qaid-e-Azam. They are fully into social media, not focusing what is important for them or for their future. We don't set our goals. If we set our goals, we will follow that. And now I think we are nowhere. We are lost most of all.
बहुत सारा आपने आपको कहा है कि आपका कोई वीडियो नहीं है, सोशल मीडिया पे लगे रहते हैं। अब आप उसमें तो नहीं आ सकते, उन्हें आप इतनी ज़्यादा बातें की, आपसे जवाब देते हैं। डिस्कशन नहीं है, इससे हमने एक रिजल्ट निकाला।
What is the hardest part for young people when they are trying to Pakistan?
Can you please repeat?
What is the hardest part for young people when they are trying to find a viable job in Pakistan?
The most important, they don't have proper connections, or some of them are not skilled enough for the job, or they lack experience. These are the main issues they find while they finding the job. Sir, they should try again and again. If they again fail, they should start their own businesses. They should get support from the families to make their idea into work, so they can do better. Which kind of problem are you facing to grow as a youth in Pakistan?
So if I talk about my experience, so how I can use social media as a productive?
Social media is good and bad at the same time. Some are growing and some are just wasting their time, like most of all. We are just scrolling TikTok videos or Instagram reels, like they are earning, they are making into money, they are growing, and we are watching them and wasting our time. We should invest our time how we can make improvement by using social media. There are so many courses we can learn from social medias. The world is learning, they are growing. That's why we are far behind as a nation. Pakistan is too much behind. Like I have many friends outside, they don't feel the same way like Pakistanis are. They think low for us.
It's up to you. For example, if I say you are using social media like me, I say again it's not productive. So how you will keep it productive if you yourself want to use it productive?
If I want to be successful on social media, I am not educated. First of all, I did only matric and I am doing a business. So if I have not any source, like some of them cannot afford businesses. Pakistan have loans, but they give on interest, and interest in haram is haram in Islam. So people, most of them, if they follow religious, like Pakistan is based on religious cultures, they don't take it. Like if I want to grow on social media, I will learn some of the courses that will benefit into my field, what I want to do. If they are providing free, everyone do packages on mobile and using social media instead of watching videos. You can learn courses and some different things. You can upload videos which is environmental, about the beauty of nature, and like they are doing vloggings. You can make good content. That's called, you can make a lot of good things on social media. It's up to you.
And you don't think some people use social media?
What?
You don't think that some
ये आपका
people
टॉपिक जो है वो
use
डाइवर्ट हो गया सोशल मीडिया की तरफ चला गया कभी नहीं नहीं पर डाइवर्ट हो गया नहीं ये सारे बच्चे इसको मैं भी शामिल हूं क्या नहीं के पास
Sir, first of all, I will talk about last year over 8 lakh students went abroad for better opportunities, for better education, better skill development. It depends on government also as well on us. If we are not good enough, we will not create opportunities for ourselves. The opportunities doesn't wait for anyone. It comes and go. We have to adapt that opportunities. We have to think how we can make our nation grow. It's it's upon us how we want to grow as a nation. If I am educated, I will bring new technologies. I will bring new innovation ideas, innovative solutions to the issues that society faces. I will bring good people at good places so they can admire others to build Pakistan a better place. सर वही ना, एडमायर करेंगे ना उनको. सर मोस्ट ऑफ देम वांट टू गो अब्रोड. Sir, like they all are saying, like in introduction they want to say. Sir, how we can stop them to go to abroad?
I am not going to abroad, what can I do?
You are doing your own business. Keep it grow. It will benefit Pakistan. Like he is the owner of mill. He said his vision is to import and export to other countries. That is good. That is beneficial for Pakistan. He just said the other day. Like I remember. How much can Pakistan get benefit from your import and export? Sir, in short, then Pakistan will not grow in future also.
आप अपना बता दीजिए आप क्या कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान के लिए
Right of now, I'm not giving anything to the nation. I am living my own life, doing businesses. Like I know I have to do. If we are talking about nation, the nation comes first. We have to do something that is better for Pakistan. Like as of now, I am not contributing anything to the country. In future, I will make sure I will do. In future it comes tomorrow or in decades. No, I have decided. I haven't decided yet. But how can I contribute in Pakistan? Sir, I will right now. Any other questions?